Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be unboxing my September Boxycharm. So if you want to see what products I got in my Boxycharm and if you want to see how to create this really glamorous look, you can just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos every single Mondays, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of the Makeup Mondays. And that's it, so thank you so much for watching and let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, so let's get started. I just woke up, so my face is like super puffy. And my voice, oh my god, why is my voice so freaking deep? Okay. Last night I went to bed with like a huge freaking headache. So I didn't get much sleep, so that's why I look like pretty much shit. So let's get started. I have my Boxycharm right here. I'm going to show you everything that I got this month. So to start, I'm going to be using the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. So this is supposed to be a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that's going to brighten and reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. That's perfect because, like, look at my eyes right now. I really need that. And this is a value of freaking $45, so that's pretty expensive for a eye cream. So, and the packaging is like super cute. Look at this. Alright, so it looks like this. It's pretty cute. And when you open it, you have the little, like, sealer. Doesn't really smell like anything. The consistency is a cream, so it's not much of a gel. It's really like a classic cream. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my finger and I'm just going to tap this under my eye. Ooh, I applied way too much. Okay, so first impression, this eye cream is really like thick. It's not a gel, it will stay like a little bit sticky under the eye, but I do really like that. I really need something super hydrating and thick for my under eye area because, you know, I have extremely dry lids and I'm scared to get wrinkles. I really like the texture of that. It's really, really thick and it feels super hydrating. So I'm really looking forward to using this more often. Alright, so I'm pretty happy about this. I'm going to work on my eyes first, just because we have some new products to use and I'm not really sure if like there's going to be like glitter fallout or like powder fallout on my face. So I want to make sure that my skin is going to be flawless afterwards and I can clean it up after. So for my eyes, in the box, I got the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I was so excited to see this because I never tried these before and they seem super interesting. This is a value of $25. So for my eyes, I'm going to use this today. And I also have the Evening Glamour. This is the brand called Blink. I never heard of this brand before. And this is a value of $26. So they say that this is supposed to be like a really perfect compact eye and blush palette. In here you have 6 eyeshadows and you also have 2 blushes. So that's really nice. Alright, so I have one eye primed and I'm so excited. I don't know why, but I love receiving brushes in my Boxycharm. So this month I got the Luna Magic Los Angeles, New York brushes. I never heard of this brand before either. The brush set is a value of $18. You have the 4 brushes in here. Ooh, oh, these are so pretty. Do you see this? I love the golden with like the colorful handles. Ew, I'm so excited. So I'm going to start with one eye. I'm going to take the matte side of the Huda Beauty liquid shadows and I'm just going to pop a little bit of this all over my lid. And I'm going to start and blend this all over the eye. Ooh, okay, I think I applied a little bit too much. Whoops. So if you use the matte side, be sure to like blend really quickly because when it dries and if you continue to blend it into the crease, it's going to start and look patchy. So I'm seeing a lot of like patchiness right here, so I'm just going to add a little bit more just to see if I can remedy the patchiness. I think I just don't know how to use this yet. So this time I'm going to do like tapping motions. I'm not going to do too much swiping. So I'm going to do the other eye because I'm seeing a lot of patchiness still. So I'm going to do the other eye just to see if it's the primer, because I did prime on this side and not this one. And this time I'm going to do only tapping motions. I definitely prefer the side with no primer. It's a lot less patchy, but the only thing is that I'm still seeing a lot of veins through this matte eyeshadow. Like, it didn't really cover most of my veins. So yeah, I'm not sure if I would use this on a everyday basis. I'm going to add a little bit more just to see if it is going to be buildable. Okay, so I think this is going to be good as a base. I'm not really sure how I feel about this yet. I might need to use this a little bit more often because on its own, it does look a lot patchy, like very, very patchy and uneven. Maybe I just don't know how to use them yet. So I'm just going to not say too much. And I'm actually going to try and make this eye look a little bit better using this palette. Alright, so I just cleaned this brush and I'm going to take the shade called Twilight and I'm going to use that just to set the crease down, just to make sure that the matte eyeshadow doesn't have any tackiness and that all the eyeshadow I'm going to apply on top will blend nicely. So I'm just going to use that. And next I'm going to, I'm actually going to go into the shade Eventide. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I'm going to go into the shade Eventide, which is actually the blush shade. And I'm going to tap this on top of the matte liquid eyeshadow just to make everything a little bit less patchy and more even. I just hope this is going to blend well. And I'm really happy that I started with my eyes because I will need to clean my under eye area up. So next I'm going to take the glitter side of the liquid shadow and I'm going to place it on my lid and I'm going to tap over the edges just to blend this shadow into the outer corner. Okay, I think I'm going to love this metal eyeshadow. It looks a little bit chunky, I'm not gonna lie, it looks really thick, so I'm not sure how I feel about this, but I do think that if you're looking for a nice like metal eyeshadow, you're going to like this. I'm going to complete the look, so I'm actually going to take the shade called Midnight, which is a black shimmery shade. I'm going to take that with the Luna Magic like smaller blender brush. There is no really number on this. And I'm going to take the shade Midnight and I'm just going to smoke this on the outer corner and create kind of a cat eye. Oh my god, do you see my lids? I really don't have the type of eyes to apply liquid eyeshadow because I have a lot of creases on my lids and it's like really not flattering. Do you see how like you can see every single crease on my eyes? I really do not like this. Oh my god. I have very wrinkly lids, so if you put a dry product on top of very wrinkly dry lids, it's just not going to look good. And actually I'm really impressed with this black shade. It's really pigmented and it blends really nicely. So actually I'm really looking forward to using this palette more often. I feel like this metal eyeshadow, the more it dries on my lids, the like heavier my lids feel and the crackier my lids feel as well. So oh god, do you see the crackiness? Like this is crazy. Like I have difficulty trying to open my lids. I'm going to take a little bit of makeup remover and I'm just going to clean my under eye area up. So next product in the box, you have a mascara. So this is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. This is a value of $24. I'm not the kind of person to be super excited over new mascaras. Like I have my favorites that I've been using for years and years. So yes, but I'm curious to see if I'm going to like it because I am super picky when it comes to mascaras. The brush is kind of a like this kind of brush. I'm going to do one first coat on my upper lashes. Ah, okay. I'm happily impressed with this mascara. It really separated the lashes. I'm going to do another layer on this side just to see if it is buildable. And it's definitely buildable. Okay, I really like this. Actually, I'm obsessed. Woo! I actually love this mascara. I'm going to use it more often. This is going in my everyday product little container, so I'm going to use it more often to see if it's going to be long lasting, if I'm going to love it as much as I do right now. So actually these are all the products that I got in my box. I'm going to finish my full face of makeup so that you can see the full, oh no, actually, wait, I want to use the blush as a blush. So, okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and we are going to try the blush from this palette. So I'm just going to do my complexion, brows and everything, and I will be right back. All right, so my face is done. I need to do my cheeks and my lower lashes next. And let me say, I'm kind of loving the look. Like, I wasn't really sure of it the first like few minutes. I'm going to finish my face, so I'm going to take my blush brush and I'm going to go into the shade called Sundown. And I'm going to use that as my blush today. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my cheeks. All right, well, the blush is really pretty. I really like the shade, it's really natural. Okay, I'm not mad. Next, I wanted to use the shade called Dusk. So this shade right here to put in my inner corners. I'm scared that it might be a little bit too dark, but I'm still going to try. I'm just going to put this in the inner corner. Ooh, that's pretty actually, it really works. It's really light, it's not super intense. It's really like a natural highlight, inner corner highlight shade. That's pretty. Next, I'm going to try the last brush from the set, which is the shorter compact brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Eventide, which is the darker blush shade. And I'm just going to smoke that on my under eye area. She's cute. Next, I'm just going to take the black shade on a angled brush and I'm going to smoke that closer to my lash line. All right, I see you. So here we have it. So this is all for the look. These are all the products I got in my Boxycharm. I'm going to sum everything up really quickly. So the eyeshadows blended so beautifully. So I'm really looking forward to using this palette more often. I feel like you could also achieve a very like natural everyday look with this palette. Next, we have the liquid eyeshadows. So the matte side, I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet because it was extremely patchy. I had a lot of difficulty trying to blend this out. Maybe it's because I don't know how to use this yet. And I think that it blended better on the side without any primer. So I'm going to have to use this more often. And for the metallic side, I do really like it, but not for myself because I have very like hooded eyes. I have like extra skin on my lids, so this doesn't make my lids look good because it makes everything more apparent. So all the like wrinkles are enhanced and I do not like that. I'm not sure if you're going to see that, but like when I open my eyes, like you can see all the creases and crevices and that's not really flattering in my opinion. So yeah, I'm not really sure about this product yet. I'm going to have to use this more often. Actually, I'm really looking forward to using the metallic side for like precise work. So for example, if I just want to do like one line in my crease or like a metallic liner, it will look amazing. The mascara I'm actually in love with because like it looks amazing. My lashes look so intense and so like amazing. I have extremely short lashes and I don't have a lot of lashes, and this made my lashes look amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this more often. I think this might be like my new everyday mascara. Next, we also have the eye cream. So the eye cream I'll have to use more often because it is a skincare item, but from the texture and the feel under my eye, I feel like I'm going to love this. And we have the brush set also. I'm actually really loving these brushes. They blended everything seamlessly, everything applied quite nicely. The only brush that I'm kind of like what do I do with you is this one. This brush, like I used it for my highlight. I don't think I'm going to use this brush for highlight anymore because I'd rather use something a little bit fluffier like this one. It didn't really blend highlight like I would like it to. So yeah, but these three eye brushes I really enjoyed and I love the way they look. They're like, I don't know, they remind me of like paint brushes. But anyways, so this month's box is a value of $138, which is really nice. So you do get a lot for your money. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm loving this look. This is not my normal type of look. Usually I'm really like colorful and really like blown out and intense, but I'm loving this like cat eye, like glam look. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope this was useful for you. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos every single Mondays, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of the Makeup Mondays. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.